Setting up an Android device for work and private use. Instruction for users on how to register an Android device as a company-owned work profile. To prepare the setup, reset the device completely and then restart it. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. If possible, have the password for your personal Google account ready. For the first step, you need to tap 7 times on the welcome screen until the camera window opens. You now scan the device owner QR code, which will be provided by your administrator. Afterwards, you need to establish a connection to the Wi-Fi. You've been successfully connected to the internet. The device is now listed as belonging to your organization. Tap on Next. The work profile is now set up automatically. Select for work and personal here. Tap on Agree. The work profile is now being set up. After that is done, tap on Done. You can now add a personal account. To do this, tap on Next. To add your personal Gmail account, you need to enter your email address that ends in @gmail.com. Tap on Do not restore. Accept the Google services. Assign either a PIN, pattern or password to protect the phone. You will be shown suggestions for the standard apps for your device. You can download these for your private profile by tapping Next. You need to agree to the privacy policy now. Your device is now divided into 2 profiles. Swipe to the left to switch to the work profile and open the MobiVisor app. Tap on Set up Enterprise Environment. Grant MobiVisor all permissions and exit the system settings. If necessary, call up the MobiVisor app again. You can log in using the QR code. To do this, tap the small QR code field next to the username. The QR code will be provided to you by your admin. Alternatively, enter your login details. For Samsung devices, there is one last step. After a successful registration, you must now activate the Samsung API. Thank you for watching. Any questions or are you in need of help? No problem, our team will gladly help you. Call us using +49 341 9916 0142 or write an email to mds@iotic.de.